Okay, these are the DAWCC boards, which has on each board three channel strips. For example, channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to 24. It will be a 24 channel mixer desk. And each has three controls, three returers, switchable on 4 banks. So you have 12 CCs here to switch through. The labels itself here are some generic which are programmed in Flash from a microcontroller, but once we start Ableton, which I do now, the labels came up magically from itself. So this is dark because it's in screen save mode. I can set up this time on the DAW. I have made a controller plugin which makes all the system variables of the mixer desk. So I can remote and set it up on each live set on its own and save it with the patch. So for example, I want to have a screen time from 127. It will stay 2 minutes now in this state. Okay. You still see now name 1, name 2, and so on, and channel 1 is generic names. But as soon as you go to get name, it grabs the names of the tracks, which are here. Varus, DB303, Nordram, ER1, Nordlead, and it grabs all the name of this live rack. And you see now there are three controls. For example, I move this. This is the duck and low and delay and so on. Okay. And this is a group of three. When I now change to another macro bank, you see also that the labels have changed of the macros. And when I move now this, you come to the next group of three. Yeah. And so on. Go to the next. So the third page. Move this. I come to the next macros. And to the last, to see that we have 12 here. It's macro 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, that's about this. And the function about this is that there is in a rack, there's this MaxMSP patch where I select which channel strip it is. For example, this should be channel strip 1. So you see the names of channel strip 1 here on the first one, the first strip. If I choose another thing, like for example, it's channel strip 10, it should be come around here. I should change. So now I see here the labels, because I said here that this is channel strip 10, but I need it on 1. So it is here now. And these things are going automatic. What not is possible to go automatic is that to automate this controls here via MaxMSP. There is a Max remote function object, but as soon as you use this, the CC commands are excluded from the recording of automatizations. This is a bad thing. So the only thing what you can do is to press MIDI, go here and make it a normal MIDI assignment. And you're good. You press the next bank, go to Virus, move this, move this, move this, like you normally did. Go to the next bank, move the next three, and that you have to do with all your tracks. For example, the TV3 is on channel 2, the notch drum is on channel 3, which you see here, and so on. That's about this. First step, which is functional. I like it. Let's record something. So, external playback. Let's see. For example, change the ducking of the virus. Low ducking. Yeah, or the hull of the TV3. Change the ducking. And so on.